So it is this particular chamber. And I've just multiplied them there. What you see here are this variety.
They're the same.
They're the same.
But you started from here.
Started from the other side.
So this chamber is for matoke. Yeah, I see.
This for this variety of matoke.
This variety. Okay.
That variety of matoke.
So they have nicknamed it Mwalimu, but what's the
for us? Okay. I don't know the other name. So the other name in Uganda people have rejected.
Yeah.
Is it Mpologoma or something?
Oh, Mpologoma. Okay.
So people say, for us we don't know that language. Let this one be Mwalimu because you're the one who brought it here.
Okay. Yeah, it was. Yeah, I remember this one is in Paicho also.
Yeah. Oh yeah, here in Gambut.
Yeah.
So they're doing well. These ones I planted them in August.
In August.
July, August actually. So they've started fruiting.
Okay. Last year. So it's just a few months.
A few months, definitely.
Wow. Yeah, because this one takes 8 to 9 months or a year.
It's supposed to be 12 months.
12 months.
Including from starting.
Yeah. Because majority of people still have the traditional mindset of planting banana. They think you have to plant when it's
big already.
Yeah, but
you will go and see how I planted mine.
But I know slowly people will understand that.
No, they will have to. But of course, if you're in the market, you give them what they want.
Yeah, true. So this is also the same. You planted in.
The same day.
September.
No, in July, August.
Okay. I know this one in 2 months.
This one in 2 months' time.
It will be ready for the market.
Yeah, they'll be smiling.
Yeah.
There's also, these are our local varieties.
Okay.
You see them, the stems are different.
Yeah, I'm seeing.
The same day we planted them, the same day. But this one is taking a little longer time.
Yeah, I'm seeing. Okay.
I need to do this one tomorrow.
But rain is back. There's going to be a lot of improvement, I can see.
Yeah, this one is going to be a lot. There is this one here.
Yeah.
This one's here. They will really make it.
True. Because banana of dry season is quite different.
This one is the one for dry season.
This one. Okay. But good enough rain has got it, so it will improve also.
But I know the ones like these ones.
Yeah.
These ones, their yield will be big.
Yeah.
At least up to about 10, 11 bunches.
True. Okay. Which type of manure do you normally use?
I use plant manure and animal manure.
Oh, okay. Now I know you're also keeping those chicken purposely.
This one some friend just gave me. This one's about to cause problem with my thing.
I see. Okay. But your land is good.
Yeah, the land is
very fertile.
So this is the animal manure.
Oh, animal manure.
Okay. And this one, a bit of the plant manure.
So
let's mix them.
Okay. How long have this one taken it?
Yeah. I brought it in March.
I see. They have decomposed already and looking good.
Closed well.